I was sent this 8-in-1 spin brush for my review, and I'm excited to open it up, see everything that it comes with, and then try it out for the very first time. So I'm seeing here on the back, it's going to be coming with the small flat brush, the pointed brush, the large flat brush. You even have, oh, those cloth ones. I love the cloth ones. And you also have a wool cloth, which is great. You've got a sponge, you've got the fiber sponge, you've got the wide range brush, and then you've got the sticky disc. So let's go ahead and check this out. So we've got, ooh, it comes with this great little bag so that you can keep all the different heads and the pieces inside here when you're not using them. I love that. Of course, we have our user manual here. So yeah, we've got our sponge, like I said. You've got the cloth one here. Oh, I love these wide range brushes. These ones are fantastic. And then you've got the large one, the pointed one. You've got the flat one. I've never seen this wool one before. This is awesome. This is going to be really great for polishing. That's fantastic. I've got a lot of wood, so I can imagine putting my wood polish and then using this just to kind of like nicely and gently rub that in. That would be really great. And then we've got this sponge one here. And then this is the unit itself. It is, of course, oh, it's fancy looking, very nice. It is, of course, rechargeable, and I do see the plug right here, which is great. Not sure if it's going to have any charge right out of the box, but we're going to check that out. And so let's see. Should be pretty simple. These ones usually just kind of screw in. Maybe that's not where that goes. Let's give me a second here. I think that will probably screw in here somewhere. Nope. Okay, this is going to be the top handle, Michelle. Let's get this together. Oh, I knew I would figure it out. It just takes a second, right? So we've got that. And then I do think this actually goes in here. That's what it seems like, but I must be wrong. Maybe I am missing a step here. Let's see what's going on. Okay, so I was right. I just wasn't pushing hard enough. I'm always so scared I'm gonna break something, but honestly, this thing is so sturdy. I could have just pushed it. So yeah, it was just, you just screw the two pieces in, you are good to go. And then up here on the top is where you're gonna add the attachments. And then as you can see, it is extendable, which is really great. That's gonna get those like hard to reach places. And then you have this locking mechanism. So as you can see right now, it's not going anywhere. And then I just twist that, and then this can extend. So if you're getting something up high, that's going to be super helpful as well. And check this out. So this part right here, you have this button you push down, and then this you can actually move the head, which again is cool. I don't think I've seen that on any other spin brush. A lot of the times it's just stuck in the one position. So then now you can kind of get those hard to reach corners when you need to. I think that is really neat. And then all of the attachments you just honestly pop on here. There's like little nooks here. I'm going to line it up, and then it just snaps into place. As I said, I don't know if it has any power. You hold on to it and check that out. So let's see if it has different modes. There we go. So mode 2, 3. So there's 3 of them total. So to turn it on, so the power button's right here, you actually hold that, and there's a little countdown that comes on the screen, and then it will turn on. So you have to hold it for about 3 seconds, and then that will come on. And then you have mode 1, 2, and 3, which is awesome. And then when you push it again, it's going to turn off. It also comes, which I saw, which is really cool. This is awesome. A great way to be able to put this on the wall. So you can actually, let's say you want to have this maybe in your bathroom. I love using these spin brushes in my bathroom, especially in the shower. But what you can do is a closet, anywhere really. You've got this really great hook, and it comes with the metal and the adhesive, and you put this on the back, and then you're going to stick this on your wall, and then this actually goes in here, and then it will hold it up. It'll just like stick it wherever you're putting it, which is really nice. And you've got the little hook here, so you can hook the bag on the side here with all of the accessories, which is really great. So yeah, as you can see in the video, here I am just kind of cleaning the bathroom tiles. It makes it so much easier than getting on your hands and knees and doing all that scrubbing. So honestly, if you are looking for a spin brush, highly recommend this awesome one.